You're looking for a vacuum cleaner to clean hardwood floors, rugs, and more? Simply turn on, press to the speeds you desire, and clean. It starts off at low, change to medium or high. Transfer from floor carpeting to floor. Great for small areas, small rooms. Adjustable height. Collects a lot of dirt. Simply line over the garbage and pop open. Hands-free. We're going to show you everything you need to know about the DIFFULL Portable Vac. This is a 550 watt 45 kPa 6-minute runtime with 18650 2500 milliamp batteries. We have an 8 filter with a spare filter kit, a white filter and ring, and a foam black filter. We have everything on the table taken apart for you. I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble the unit when needing to clean and more. We have the vacuum system that has a handle inside. It has holes so that the dust goes out and the dirt comes in and the filter needs to be cleaned with a brush. These are the areas of interest that we are cleaning. When we're ready to assemble, we grab the handle and we grab the 1.5 filter dirt case that has a red button that opens up. We have a trigger on the control handle and that will release automatically as well. We take the filter canister, we place in. We match up the square hole over here and lock into place by pressing down and locking in. When you do that, this whole unit over here moves left and right. There's a lock and unlock mechanism. Gray on gray shows the lock and unlock. Slide in the square opening where the dirt collects. Adjust, push in, lock in, fold the handle, take the black foam, place on, and then take the filter and place over. There is a tab to pull the filter out, and that is how you take out. With the controller and the blower, the brushless blower, this is a trigger where my index finger's at. Over here is your large window to show 3 color codes of 20, 40, 60 minutes of runtime, the on and off, and the program changer. Now you simply take the filter and this end here, you match up, and you lock into place. You close the door first. You take on, there is a tab, get into the tab, align the tab, press in, and locks in. The trigger over here releases the door. As you see, it's an automatic spring. This is the dirt release button for the canister. Place over the garbage and press. To turn the unit on, it's the buttons on the back only. The assembly of the base head has lights, a roller 10 inches wide and measures about 23 inches, simply snaps in and you're able to roll and go different angles. Clean stairs, small areas that you need to have a low profile vacuum. To change out the base head, simply pressing the button on front, lift up and out. Place on the arm that matches the area, snap into place, and remove. It snaps in very easy. On the back is the extension that you can increase it to the height you want. From 36 inches with the base head on all the way up to 43 plus inches tall. If you're changing out the head, And placing on a nozzle is simply lining up the red to the front of the unit and snapping in and removing. And now you have a narrow nozzle to clean between your sofa, couches, recliners, corners, crevices, underneath, on the ceiling fan and air conditioner, and more. The adjustable handle arm can be adjusted to a number of heights. And now we're ready to put the battery in and run the unit and show you what the display window looks like. The 2500 milliamp battery takes up to 4 hours to fully charge, a quick charge. Simply slide into the groove, snap down into place with the red button, press in to lift out. 2-in-1 charger charges either in the cradle or the whole unit in the cradle. When displaying, you're looking at the window from down above, like so, and you see the correct amount of power and control buttons you are on. This demonstration is bringing it up to the window to show you, changing the different modes. And off. This is the release trigger for your dirt. This is the removal of the canister. This is the removal of the arm, removal of the attachments, and removal of the battery. On the front are green LED lights and the movement of the brush. We have an area that needs to be cleaned. We're going to clean the area. We grab the unit. We turn on. We need higher vacuum. Press for the higher speed. If we need a higher speed, we press for higher. Cleaning by the door. We have dirt on the sofa. We have the arms a little too long, so we simply remove. Press on a shorter piece and clean. We have a time in here, and you can see all the dirt it picked up. Now we're going to show you how to take apart and clean. It's very simple indeed. You just simply press the 2 buttons here, pull the trigger off, and if you have anything stuck inside, just grab the little hook, little brush, clean up, and you can open up this part or you lift up the filter, pull out, grab the handle, give a little rotation, and pull. We're going to show you how to hang the bracket up. We're going to take our bracket and hang it over here. There are 2 ways to hang. Release the battery, slide on and charge, or place on to the actual vacuum and place on and allow to charge. Releasing the attachments go on the unit underneath. They snap into place and hold. Remove and slide on. When placing the attachments on, please make sure the red clips face forward so they can snap in. When charging just with the battery, we have a blue indicator only. Charging with the unit, we show the amount of power in the red battery indicator with visual numbers, 55, as we are near 60 minutes of runtime. The DIFFULL vacuum cleaner, 550 watts, 60 minutes of runtime, 20, 40, 63 speeds. With the over 1 liter container, easy automatic dumping. It's easy to clean, easy to use, easy to set up. I hope this vacuum cleaner is something that you're looking for in your portable vacuum cleaning for cars, boats, RV, campers, and more. A vacuum cleaner for your household needs. Thank you for viewing.